bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no, maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. But you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.
I'm sorry if it's dark, but I'm just gonna give y'all a OOTD. So for my video, I got essentials. For my shorts, I got Target, and on the back I got Telfeezy, and then on my feet I'm wearing some Gucci slides, just a calm little fit to go get my schedule, because I'm not doing too much. Y'all, it looks so dark. I'm sorry if it was dark, y'all. I'm so sorry if it was dark. But yeah, that's my outfit. So I'll catch y'all when I'm either there, if I bring my camera, or when I come back, or I don't know. But yeah. Okay, y'all. Ooh, my camera a little foggy, but I'm about to leave now. My ride just came, so I'm about to leave. I'm walking downstairs. Hopefully, oh my God, it's foggy.
It's not the what, it's the who. It's the helpful neighbors, the extra milers.
Say hi to my vlog.
Risers.
Say hi to my vlog.
No, I'm ugly right now.
Yeah, I'm posting it.
Black screen.
It's not even black. Wait, hold on. It is black. Hold on.
To build a stronger grid.
Say
so
hi.
You get the reliable electricity you need.
Okay. Now hi. So I'll catch y'all when I get to the school. Okay, y'all. So I'm in the gym and I'm with Michaela and Zari. They look like twins. Okay. Yeah. But I'm in the gym and yeah, I'll just show y'all my schedule when I get back home. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home and y'all seen that little clip I made like in the gym. I don't even know if it's good. It probably isn't good. But yeah, I'm back home and I'm gonna read y'all my schedule, even though I've been seeing it, but I'm gonna read it to y'all. So first period I have advanced math, second period I have advanced science, third period I have advanced civics, fourth period I have advanced language arts, and then fifth period I have IT, which is computers and coding, all that. And then I have gym sixth period. That's my schedule. I only have 6 periods, y'all. But yeah, that's really my schedule. So there's nothing else I have to do today. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow at my nail appointment. Okay, y'all. Hey, so I'm on the way to well, today's my nail appointment. It's currently, I'm rushing, y'all. It's currently 11:29. I have to be at the house by 11:30. But I have on a white shirt from Shein, pretty little thin pants, and some Crocs. But yeah, I just want to check in with y'all, and it's Friday, August 9th, and I'm about to leave right now, so I'll talk to y'all later. Well, when I get to my nail appointment.
Want real money.
But I'm talking about like for rich people, it's like not that much.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I did not even check in. I didn't even check in with y'all after I got back home, but these are my nails. They're so cute. If it would focus. I'm pretty sure y'all saw it though. But those are my nails. They're so cute. Don't mind my hair because I'm about to take it out since I have a hair appointment tomorrow. So I'm gonna start taking out my hair right now, and I'm gonna show y'all taking out my hair. And yeah, because I need to get some content in for y'all for this back to school prep me. So I'm gonna show me taking out my hair. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna decide, y'all. I know the shirt short is because of the gel and stuff in my hair, but I started on this side and I realized I didn't come back to y'all after I was done with this side. But I'm done with this side, so I'll come back when my whole head is done. And yeah, I'm currently watching Now That's TV, so don't mind background. But yeah, I'll just come back to you guys when the whole head is done. So, okay, y'all, so I'm finally done with my hair and stuff. There's so much gel in here, y'all. Oh my god, it is so bad. But I'm finally done with my hair and stuff, so I'm about to wash my hair and do all that good stuff. I'm not gonna come back on camera after I'm done washing my hair because it's gonna just be in these little braids and I'm not gonna come on camera for this. So I'll just catch y'all in the morning, which is gonna be like at 6 in the morning, y'all. Because my hair appointment is at 7 in the morning, so I'm gonna catch y'all like in the morning. Oh yeah, it's currently 9:11. I'm done with my hair at 9:11. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the morning. Okay, good morning, y'all. It's currently, what time? 6:18. And I'm getting ready to do my hair. I blurred out my hair a little bit. Y'all, not too much. I need my hair a trim. So, not too much in my hair. But yeah, I blurred out my hair. Now I'm currently just like getting ready, like moisturizing my face and stuff with some Aquaphor and put on lip gloss and stuff. Because, yeah, this is really the end. After this is the end of the maintenance vlog. So after this will be the end of the video. But yeah, I'm just currently getting ready. Yeah, I really don't know what to say because like early in the morning, I feel like my face still dry. Yeah, I really don't know what to say because like early in the morning. I'll be talking like early in the morning. But yeah, I'm just moisturizing my face and stuff. Now I'm just gonna go in with some lotion. This lotion, butterfly lotion from Bath and Body Works. And I already brushed my teeth and stuff like that off camera, so yeah. Okay, y'all. Now I'm finna go put on some shoes. I'm just finna be wearing my Tory Burch sandals. Let me show y'all. And I'm also wearing my Lulu set. I'll show y'all the whole outfit like when I have it on, but yeah, I'm gonna wear my Tory Burch sandals, y'all. Let me put them on and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. Set from Lululemon, purse from Kurt Geiger, and shoes from Tory Burch. So now I'm going to 6:30 to go get my mom, and what else again? I'm waiting till 6:30 to go get my mom, and it will be on the road to my hair appointment. And I'm gonna be looking good. I have to make sure I don't forget my bow because yeah, I'm getting a bow. Well, I'm not getting like a bow hairstyle with bundles. I was gonna get bundles, but yeah, I wanted bundles, but I'm going on a cruise. That's another vlog. Hopefully I vlog. I'm gonna make sure I vlog. But yeah, I'm going on a cruise, so I can't get bundles. So I'm getting braids, but still gonna use this bow. So yeah, I'll come back to y'all.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow mama, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Digital Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Decide for
myself.
Okay, y'all, so here's my hair. I was gonna insert a video, but apparently the video is ugly and I can't get the video. So but I can't get the video, but I'm trying to insert a video if I can get it. But this is my hair. I really can't show y'all, but this is my hair, y'all, and it's real cute, real tea. But this is the end of the video. If y'all like this, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, J babies.